Well, good Saturday evening. We're still tracking some gusty winds as our low continues to move off and off coast it does, but it's still looking at the north and west, 20 miles per hour. But then you incorporate the gusts, which are closer to 35 to 40 miles per hour, a little bit stronger along the coast in the higher elevations. So that makes our temperatures, though, into the mid 40s along the coast, and most of the areas up to the north feels a little cooler than that. So definitely a night to bundle up over the next even day as we work our way into Sunday. A few isolated showers will be left over, even some isolated drizzle working its way through the mid coast about now. So eventually we'll be drying up as we go into our Sunday, which is great news and almost copy and paste for our temperatures, which, like I said, most of us into the mid 40s right now, eventually lowering them by the time we go into our Sunday morning. Mid 30s, Portland 37, Wiscasset a little bit warmer under the cloud cover, upper 30s. But we're still going to have those winds from the north and west. That's a cool, dry breeze for Sunday. Those will stay around, gusting sometimes up to 35 miles per hour. As temperature highs rise to the mid 40s under a mostly cloudy sky, eventually we'll start to break away from the clouds, maybe heating a little bit, but still it's going to feel a little chilly out there, so bundle up. By the time we go into Monday, that system is far beyond here. We do see some more sunshine. Low 30s, going to be a crisp morning waking up. So if you start your travel early for your Thanksgiving, temperatures should be prime. I'd say Monday and Wednesday, both into the mid 40s, are looking pretty good and dry. Now our next system will be bringing impact weather first thing Tuesday morning, starting off with isolated showers working their way in. Low 30s by the time you're waking up Tuesday. Another cool morning for you, but we're kind of getting into that pattern into November as we go later into the month. Mid 40s, eventually tracking isolated chances of rain, or I should say widespread chances of rain, isolated chances of some snow showers up to the north. That system quickly out of here. We'll be looking at some gusty impacts after that going into our Wednesday, but again, Wednesday's not looking too bad. 30s by the time you wake up, mid 40s by the time you hit the afternoon. And despite that impact weather staying in for Tuesday, if you are traveling for Thanksgiving week, we are looking at that impact being rather low. By Wednesday, there's really no impact for you. Thursday and Friday, we do have that medium chance that if you're taking a flight, you might see those chances go a little higher for the impacts. Now, the 8-day inland forecast, we are going to be looking ahead to Thanksgiving and Black Friday. We are going to be watching our next system moving in. Temperatures further inland will be on the cooler side if we can usher that system in a little bit faster, which some models are indicating. Looks like even late Thursday we could bring that chance of snow along the coast. So that 8-day coastal forecast, that system staying in for Friday and possibly into next weekend.